Hey, what is up guys? My name is Oleg, this is Bond. Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to do an unboxing of Phoibos Sentinel. Sentinel is the newest model from Phoibos watches, and I will admit it, I am a fan of Phoibos watches, especially their original design models. And this one here is an original design model from Phoibos. It has 200 meters of water resistance, it has a sapphire crystal, high beat Miota movement, all of that for $350. So is the watch any good? I've only seen the pictures of it. I've never seen it on video, and the pictures that I've seen maybe 3 or 4 pictures, so I have no idea what to expect. I'm really excited, so let's open the box together.
Alright, so the package just arrived, actually like an hour ago or so. I can't contain my excitement. I can't wait to open this package. They actually sent it via DHL, which is unusual for Phoibos. The other 2 watches that I reviewed from Phoibos previously both came through Canada Post, but since Canada Post is on strike, a lot of watch companies have to plan alternative ways to mail their watches. So Phoibos figured they send one through DHL, which of course gives you quicker shipping, so I didn't have to wait that long for the shipping. Alright, nothing else in this box, and inside of it is a familiar box if you watched any one of the other unboxings of Phoibos watches. This is the carry pouch. I gotta tell you, the watch case, this carry pouch seems pretty heavy. It's I don't remember the other ones being this heavy, so I'm excited to pop this one open. So this is their newest model, Sentinel, and between you and I have no idea which color combination I'm receiving. So this is going to be a surprise for me as well as for you. Well, maybe not for you because you're probably going to see the thumbnail. Okay, so we opened it the right way. Here's the instructions manual, Phoibos warranty. Oh, this is a new card. So does it say a 2-year warranty? That's nice. They didn't have this in the other watches. Always good to see watch companies kind of improve their packaging and improve their brand. And also comes with this Nato Strap. We'll take a look at the Nato Strap later, maybe look at it in a full review. But let's open up the watch. Nice. I was hoping for the green dial. Oh my goodness, I am so excited about this watch, guys. So this is obviously a Phoibos original design. By the way, I'm wearing my Eagle Ray, another original design Phoibos, and I really love this watch. So hopefully this one is as good, if not better. Okay, let's take a closer look at it. First impression, just holding it in my hand, it feels very kind of tough, very heavy. It doesn't feel like a cheaply made watch. I don't know why I associate the weight to the quality of the make of a watch. Maybe you do the same, but you know what I mean? If the watch feels hefty, if it feels solid, just makes you convinced, subconsciously at least, that it's a better quality watch, that it's a more expensive watch. Just look at this case back. That's a nice engraving. So it looks like they stepped away from the octopus, or the Hydra logo, as I call it, and went with this kind of wings and the star and the anchor. A lot going on here, actually. It's quite nice. And of course it's a screw down case back. Now my favorite part of any watch unboxing, peeling off the sticker. Oh yeah, that feels good. Let's zoom in for a closer look. Look at the dial on this watch. It's really cool. It's a grainy finished dial, so it's not smooth. Has a very nice texture to it. However, the applied or painted on, I guess, indices, the Arabics and as well as the batons, are applied evenly, and even the Phoibos logo is printed evenly on that textured dial, which is not an easy thing to do. Well done. Also like the little tip on the seconds hand, automatic Phoibos logo, and this date window between the 5 and the 4. So I believe this watch actually has the Miota 9015 movement. It's not the Seiko movement, and these watches are a new introduction to the Phoibos original design watches. I believe they retail at $350 through Phoibos website right now. They're available, and I really like it. It's a cool looking watch. It's called the Sentinel. I don't know the exact reference for this color combination, but I gotta tell you, the green looks cool. In certain lighting conditions, even here in my home, almost looks dark, like black, and then if you turn it towards the sun or towards the lighting source, it has that green color. Really nice. Let's take a look at the strap. So a nice thick leather strap, very stiff, as you would imagine with a leather strap like this. I like the stitching. Big tough buckle, Phoibos logo on that. Octopus logo, or the Phoibos logo, stamped on the back of this leather strap. Genuine leather. All right, this is a really cool looking watch, and I think it would look great actually paired with this Nato strap. The Nato strap seems to be of a good quality. Has kind of this bead blasted buckle and these loops, so that's cool. It matches the finishes on the case. Oh, nice crown. It looks like it's loomed, guys. Could it be loomed? I hope it is. That would be the first loomed crown watch that I'll review on the channel. Alright, so far, pretty impressed with this one. Alright guys, so that was the unboxing and my initial impressions of the Phoibos Sentinel. You can see I put it on the Nato strap. I think it looks kick-ass on the Nato strap. And a big thank you to Phoibos for actually sending this watch my way for the unboxing and for the review. It's really nice to see Phoibos and companies like Phoibos support our online watch community, because they just ask for the honest feedback, the honest review, and that's what I give it to them. And hopefully this constructive criticism or praise, whichever way it will go in the full review, will help them make better decisions and help them make even better watches in the future. So thank you, Phoibos, for sending this watch, and thank you guys for kind of supporting these videos, because that's the reason why companies actually listen to us and companies actually send us watches, because of you and because of your continuous support. Now, my initial impressions of this Phoibos Sentinel. Well, first of all, I gotta tell you three things, just my initial impressions. Number one, the finishes are great. I really like the finish on this watch. It looks very tough, very kind of military inspired. Number two, I really like the design. It's a cool looking watch. And number three, it's a heavy watch. I don't think I mentioned it in the unboxing portion of this video, because obviously I was very excited and it's hard to think about everything, but the watch is quite heavy. I'm not sure how much it weighs, but it's not a light watch by any means, so just keep that in mind. By the way, today on my wrist I'm wearing my Phoibos Eagle Ray, another offering from Phoibos. I did a full review of this watch as well as the unboxing. Really like this timepiece. I've been wearing it quite a bit lately. There is a secret link in the link description. Check it out if you want to. Thanks for watching this video. I hope you liked it. I hope you had fun, and I'll see you guys next time.